Creator Studio transforms the way you use YouTube. As soon as you start using it, you'll realize how much knowledge you were leaving on the table. With Creator Studio Pro, we take that to a whole other level. You get the speed and privacy of working locally, the peace of mind that all your work is backed up in the cloud, and the power of a second brain with Obsidian. Obsidian functions as your knowledge repository. It's where you store everything about anything. When you connect Obsidian with Creator Studio Pro, everything you do on YouTube auto-magically syncs with Obsidian. Let me show you. This is Cleo Abrams' latest video on NASA's spacesuits. I've already connected Obsidian to Creator Studio. This is indicated by the purple Obsidian icon here. I'll create a new collection and call it Main. For the description, I'll type all bookmarks. Having a main collection is a good practice. I talk about this in the collections video. For now, let's add 3 bookmarks. This is interesting. Only 12 people have walked on the moon, and they did it within 4 years of each other. This is also interesting. Spacesuits have not been updated in decades. I love this. Cleo flying. She looks funny. Let's bookmark it. Did you notice I never left YouTube? Let's head over to Obsidian to see what happened. Creator Studio saves all your work in the directory you specify. Mine is the default, called Creator Studio. A new file has been created. The name is the title of the video. The note contains all the video's metadata, such as channel name, description, video thumbnail, and more. The note also contains the embedded video for quick reference. Here's the main collection we created earlier. If you use the Summary and Highlights plugin in Creator Studio, this is where they will appear in the note. If the transcript for the video is available, Creator Studio will also include it. This is phenomenal when you're trying to find things, but you only remember references instead of the actual thing. Not impressed yet? Let me show you one more thing. Let's go back to the Collections section, this time by clicking on Collections in the document outline. Now I'll click on the name of the collection. And lo and behold, all of our bookmarks are here, each with its time and name, the frame of the video, the transcript at that time, as well as our notes. Creator Studio will update each collection note every time you create, modify, or delete bookmarks. Additionally, every time you create collections. Creator Studio will also expand your knowledge graph by connecting the collections to the video note, similarly to how Main is connected to the video note here. There are a lot more features in Pro for lifelong learners and creative professionals, but I'll cover those in future videos. So, are you ready to go pro? Click Beam Me Up Scotty and start your 30-day trial.